Fellow gardeners, fellow gardeners, fellow gardeners, I have a question for you. True or false? Can radish grow in water, in hydroponics, indoors inside your house? Well, that's what we're going to be looking at today. So let me show you what I've been doing. This is not radish, but this is microgreens. These are actually little beets and cilantro microgreens. That's all that this is. It's a mixture of that. So I had a tray of radish mixed with it was just radish. Actually, it was just radish. It wasn't mixed with anything like that. It was just a tray of radish. And I said, let me take this radish and let me see if I actually can grow it hydroponically. So the first thing I actually did was I grew it in a cup. And the only thing that was growing in the cup was just this, was the actual microgreen. And it was just the microgreen. That's it. So I was just starting to grow this thing in a cup. And the only thing that I had in here was just, it's just some water with some nutrient solution. And so the roots would just keep growing and keep growing. I wasn't seeing anything. All I saw were just roots, roots, roots. Okay. So today, this radish plant, I'm assuming and hoping that there's a radish in there. I have not looked at it. So I took it off of where it normally is on the bottom shelf, right down there, okay? Literally under grow lights down at the bottom with the other trays. Can you see that there's other containers down there? That's normally where I just had it, right? So, but here it is. I took it up. Look at this, okay? Can you explain to me, can radish grow in water? So we're going to take a look at this. I'm really excited because you're going to be seeing this with me for the first time. But look at this. You see that? It's flowering. This really is my first time taking this out and looking at it. Can radish grow in water? What do you think about that? I mean, I'm just totally surprised. I didn't know you can grow root vegetables just in water. I thought it had to be in soil. But this is so cool. I'm going to eat these leaves because radish leaves, I heard, are great. I'm going to eat them. This radish will be harvested. Look at the size of this radish. This is amazing. Okay, this is really amazing. I cannot believe it. Beautiful purple color. This radish did grow. So there we go. Oh, and let me show you what else that I have here too. So you can see, because the poor little other little plant that I have here did not get any competition of light, because the radish, as you can see, in the cilantro that I have here is taking up so much space. But I did have a little baby. It wasn't a baby. It's trying to be grown, but it's still a baby and it shouldn't be. But this is actually some Thai basil. Now, when I remove this radish, hopefully it will give it some light, because that's the other thing on this side too. I had another Thai basil plant right here. This poor thing's suffering to get some light, and it can't get any light. So now next time, now I know, since radish does grow into a ginormous plant, that I need to have it in a different bucket. All right, and look at this is cilantro. All of this cilantro. So yes, I'm going to harvest this. I'm going to make a really nice salad, and I can't wait. I've got, what do I have in my garden that I just harvested? I just harvested bok choy, lettuce, and kale. And then I could add some sprinkle of cilantro on that, and we'll give it a nice little pop. I've got basil if I want to add to that, just to give it a little flavor, like, what was that? What was that? And I've got microgreens too, so I can add some kohlrabi and broccoli microgreens on it too. So yes, I am going to do that. And I hope that you enjoy this, and I hope that you did learn something, because I sure enough did learn that yes, you could grow a radish plant indoors, and the root, you can grow it. So that dispels that myth that I had in my head. Yes, you can grow radish in water. So I hope you like this video. Try growing radish. Maybe you can grow another root vegetable. If you know of another root vegetable that can grow in water, let me know, because I would love to try that. So Until then, remember to grow leafy, and I will see you all next time. Bye.